Hi traders, it's Charles here from TradeView and welcome to episode number 238 of Trading Talk. As some of you may already know, I've been a client of TradeView for over 5 years and have built hundreds of systems. Now I am here as customer support to help with any questions you might have in regards to trading and model building. In this week's episode, I'll be showing you how to improve the My First Algo Pack with simple techniques I learned from the systems building program, and then combine the results into a very impressive portfolio. After 2 years of online conferences, we are back live at the Sofitel and looking forward to a fantastic event. We have 2 speakers booked in already, and you can check them out at algotradingconference.com. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you who I have been working with there in person and putting a face to your voice or email. If you're not already a client and you'd like to watch episode 238 in full and create the model, just purchase the series by clicking the Learn More button on the top left of this page or in the YouTube description if you're watching this video on YouTube. I hope you enjoy episode 238 of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.